I say that this wig is really, really thick, this wig is thicker than a midget. Like, I can't make this up. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to FINLEY's YouTube channel. It's Aaliyah here, and today I have a Vivica Fox hair collection unit. This is an ear-to-ear high definition HD lace front with the natural baby hair. This unit is safe to curl up into 356 till about 392. So this unit has a free part. This is 100% hand tied. It has natural density. This is a 13 by 5 unit. Style is FINLEY. The color is FS1B30. So this is a stock car. I think I pretty much showed y'all already. They don't really give us like no information about it. It's just that this unit is available in light brown, P2216, P42730. It's like a medium dark brown, honey brown and copper blonde. TP61327, honey blonde highlight, the platinum blonde tip. So just to get into a little bit about it, I like the lace on this unit. They give you a lot of space to like be free and do whatever you want to do. Like, that's one of the things that I like about it. It is tangling. I tried to do another style with it, but the density of this wig was just so thick to the point where we were not able to accomplish what we wanted to do. But y'all see, we still came up with something, you know. I feel like it says a little bit, you know. So that's pretty much all I have to say about it. Like, the lace was nice to, like I said, the lace was really, really nice. Like, it did come with baby hairs, but the baby hairs I really, really like. So I had to go ahead and grab my own baby hairs out, as y'all see that I was doing. So yeah, this unit, I don't know how long it is. I'd say she's probably like a good 26 to 28 inches. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the back just to show what y'all working with as far as the back on FINLEY. So this is the back of her. Oh my god, I almost knocked out my clips. So she feels nice on my hair. I would say she's a big hair friendly unit, especially since it's a 13 by 5. You're getting a lot of space to do whatever, like, you know, whatever it is that you would want to do. So I think that's pretty much it. We do have a sale going on throughout the weekend. I think it's lasting now until like the weekend, so make sure y'all tap into that. There's a lot of curly units. Y'all know we always got our deep wave, you know, a little bit of more of a body wave straight. I would check that out, because if you don't if you like the idea of this this wig, like the idea of this style, but you don't like this wig necessarily, then you could probably use this style on another one of our units that are on sale. So I hope y'all look into that, because we got a lot of spring and festive things going on that, you know, you need to get into, you know, save you some money. So that's pretty much all I have to say about FINLEY. I just wish that the amount of time that they spent giving us all this lace, I wish that they would have worked with the hair a little bit better, because that may have made the whole impact about like what we were really trying to do. Everything, it would have been initially better than, you know, what we end up doing, but you're still cute. But if the hair wasn't so thick, then we probably would have been able to maneuver around it and work with what we had. So it's a wrap up this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all know where this unit will be listed. Thank y'all so much for tuning into FINLEY's YouTube channel. I'm Aaliyah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.